If you are a Mac user, do you know how to access the files of photos or where the pictures is located on your Mac? So let's see how we can find the photos of our Mac. At first we need to open the Finder. Once we open the Finder, on the left side basically we'll see one of the folder is like that, pictures. If we click here, we'll see all the pictures folders are there. Now from here we can access those folders and we can check the pictures. So this is one approach. But if it is missing, then how we can access these files or how we can access the pictures or photos? I'm going to close it. Now I'm going to show you how you can access that thing. So you have to click Finder and the Finder window will be opened. Now you can click Go, then you can click Home, and here you will find list of the files or folders of your computer. From here you can scroll till you find pictures, and if you double click over there, you will access the same file location of pictures. Now you can access all the files of or pictures of your Mac. There is also other approach I'm going to show you. So here on the left side you see there is a shortcut, right? If you directly click here, it will be showing over there, right? So how we can enable this thing? To do this thing, what we need to do? We just need to click Finder and then go this menu, Finder, click here. It will be expanded. From here we have to choose Settings. Once we are in the settings, we need to access sidebar, and on top of the favorite we'll see a couple of options are there. One is picture. So if you uncheck it, it will be gone. See here, there is no picture, but if you click here, then it will be visible and it will create the shortcut. Here is the pictures. Once we modify these changes, we can close it. Now next time when we open the Finder, we can directly access the picture folder from here. We can click here and very shortly it will be there. These are the pictures files and folders. I organized, I defined like folders, and if I access here, we'll see that that particular folder has different pictures. And that's it. In this way we can easily find all the photos inside the macOS pictures folder.